as we had a uneven surface, my friend lent me some bricks, old bricks from the bakery, Nicholas, and then we cut it round, and now we made the floor flat. Otherwise, the oven will be sidelined. You can see how flat it is. But if you got a flat oven, flat surface, you do not have to do that. You have to leave it there or make a cement base. But at the moment, because it wasn't flat, we just put those old bricks underneath there. So now the stage 2 started shaping the oven. Okay, now we are in the second stage, which we already made the base, cut the bricks, and then we got to know what shape the oven is. Normally, we have the same kind of oven which we both already built out in Spain, in our farm in Spain. But this time we are in Chile, trying to sort of make this similar oven here. So in order to make the dome, you can either use a thin bamboo or any flexible branches of a tree to bend them down and make yourself a dome. So what we've done now here, we use some old rubbers. And to do that one, we put the rubbers all together with the wire here. As you can see, and obviously next time you want to say what is the width, what is the height. So roughly here we got about 80 centimeters, the diameter of the oven, and here possibly about 60, roughly 60. So the range, you can see that if it's 80, it will be the height of 60, about 70% of the diameter, and you make the height of it. And the next stage for us would be now to put the door, the gate in here, and then start reshaping the oven till we finish. Hi again. As you can see, the oven is shaping. I'm using both cement and brick fire resistance, so that obviously you got to have, when the temperature goes to about 1000 degrees, you got to have a material which resists the fire. So what we're doing, as you can see, each one brick, if you see my hands here, what we're going to do, each time you go around, you just shape this one tiny bit to the top, to the side, so actually it curves around there. To do that, put cement, and then get a tiny bit of stones or whatever you got handy, put it in there, so that so you angle it tiny bit, so that you go round this globe, So as you finish it off, the whole thing becomes round and round and round, So we keep going till now the globe is finished. We're getting on with it, and as you can see, I got help from my friend today, so I helped me to make the oven. Now we're going to finish this one out, and then we got to put the door here. The best way, either you just basically cut this out carton, board or whatever, the size you want, about 40-45 by 50, and then start building the top of it. That you see as we're getting on together. So first we're going to finish the oven with my friend here. Continue. Sadly enough, we stopped last night because suddenly there was thunderstorm, and you can see put plastic up here, so we had to improvise to put something for the rain up here. And what we done with Rolo, he just done the outside, and now we're going to finish it, smooth it out. One thing you got to do, if it's not an organic material, which means when you fire the first time, then it would burn out. Otherwise, I use plastic pipe, so we have to cut it out, the plastic out first. And this is going to be the door. It's very important, this door, because either you can cut a cardboard and shape the shape here and put it in that position, and then start building around it, as you can see. And at the same time, and as you get up to the top here, you'll have a chimney, so I'll show you in a minute. So this is at the moment here, so Roland's going to start building around the gate, and see what happens. Good luck. Good luck, Roland. Well, we finished the oven and now decided, just playing a game, that I could make a table around here. So just now finishing with some pieces I got here to make a table. And when we make this one, the height roughly about this one, I'll go and cut some stone. This one I won't cut it, the last time I had to cut it, and hopefully we put on the top. This way we can make all our pits on the top of the table here. Yep, and that's it, thank you.